Hey guys, welcome to the Repairman for Life video channel. Today we're going to change out a 2-foot light above your kitchen sink. So let's get to it. First thing you want to do is twist your bulb. Just twist a little and take it down. Let's see, next thing you want to do, make sure your power's off. Have your light switch off. We will verify that with a tester. Turn your little locking tab there and pull it out. All right, let's see here. You have a hot wire, which is the black, a white that is your neutral, and a ground wire. We'll take our tester, put it up here and test it. And voltage is off. Take your wire nuts loose. Alright. Let's see here. Take your ground wire loose. Ground wire's loose. Alright. Let's see, as you can see, that transformer looks pretty fried. Well, that starter right there is out of something. It ain't even in it. That starter wasn't even locked in it. Alright. It's got two sheetrock screws, maybe. Yeah, I see two sheetrock screws holding it in. Alright. Take his light down. Okay. We got our wires there. Open up a new light.